morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Nursery and Reception Presentation Assembly. It's Friday the 26th of May 2023. We're here to celebrate all those children in Nursery and Reception who've earned themselves presentation certificates this morning. So well done to these children. We're starting Nursery and our phonics stars are working really hard on learning their sounds and helping them to read. Phonics stars in Nursery this morning are, here we are, Sanas and Oliver. Well done you two, look at that. Amazing writing as well, you two. Big smiles, well done. You've won Phonics Star certificates, you superstar. Enjoy taking them home today. Well done. On to our reading stars. Now these guys are sharing lots and lots of stories. They have been filling in their reading records and they are, in they come. Come on in, Kayla and Tia. Well done, you guys. Huge congratulations. Again, big smiles on your faces. You should be smiling. You've got your Reading Star certificates. So really well done in Nursery. And keep up that reading as well over half term. You absolute superstars. Well done. On to our math stars and our mathematicians doing their lots of their number bonds to 10 and number bonds to 20. These guys are doing lots and lots of maths. And they are, and they come on in. It's Oliver and Josiah. Well done. Look at that, 10. Yep, counting. What amazing counting, you guys. You are so good. Really well done. Big smiles as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you mathematical wizards. You well done. On to understanding the world stars. These guys are very inquisitive and always asking questions and have a really good understanding as well of the world and great general knowledge. They are none other than, come on in, Chloe and Tommy Lee. Well done, Chloe. Well done, Tommy Lee. Amazing work understanding the world. Really proud of you. Super work. Keep it up. Keep asking all those questions and keep being inquisitive, you superstars. Well done. Our PE stars, physical development. These guys are physically active all the time. They're none other than, come on you four, here they come. Look, Oliver, Carson, Maya Rose and Caleb. Look at you guys. Callum at the bottom there, on his hands and knees there. Look, struggling, look, going away. I think Carson's got the right idea. I think I'm liking that for his physical development. So really well. Good balance there. Look at Mila Rose climbing up there, using the rope. Really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. You absolute superstar. Well done. On to reception phonics certificate winners. These guys are really working on their phonics and reading really well. It is none other than, come on in. Here we go. Esme, Oscar, Mohammed and Imran. Well done, guys. Again, big smiles. You've just won the phonics certificates, you superstar. So really well done, you four. Enjoy taking them home today. Our reading certificates. Now these guys are putting all that phonics into work and been reading really loads as well and filling in their reading records. They are none other than, come on in, you four. We've got Caitlin, we've got Alex, we've got Julian, and we've got Minnie. Look at you, big smiles again from you four. Really well done. Super reading. Keep filling in those reading records over half term as well, you superstars. And hopefully you'll enjoy the reading book that comes with the certificate today as well. So really well done. Our math certificate winners. Now these mathematicians have been working really hard in their maths mastery lessons. Here they come. In they come. Oh, we've got Eli, we've got Ava, we've got Brody, and we've got Ashton. Really big smiles again. So really well done. Keep working on that maths. Keep doing those number bonds, those adding, subtracting. It is amazing. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done, you four. On to understanding the world. Now these guys are really inquisitive well and have fantastic general knowledge. Always got their hands up, always asking questions and then finding out the answers as well. They go to this morning, here they are, Hadley, Toby, Moana and Grace. Really well done, guys. Keep on being inquisitive, keep asking all those questions because it is fantastic. And so fantastic, you won a certificate for it, you superstars. So really well done, well done. Our PE stars now, the physical development, and these guys have been really physically active. Look at these guys, look. So these four we've got this morning, we've got Tatianka, Logan, Gabrielle, and Malia. And I know these guys are because I just see them running about all the while, being really physically active and really doing well in all of their PE outside bits. So really well done, guys. Keep up being active over half term as well. We'll come back and finish the second half term being as active. Really well done. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstars. Well done. And well done to all of those children. As you can see, school closes for half term today on Friday the 26th of May at 3:15. So we've got our half term holiday off for a week. We're back to school Monday, the 5th of June. Gates will be opening at 8:30. So we'll see you all then. Have a fantastic week, everyone. Have a really good rest, and wonderful to see you all on Monday, the 5th of June. Bye-bye now.